Most people open Canva and do the same thing every single time. They browse templates. They drag a few things around. Maybe they change a color or a font. And then they close it and think, okay, that was fine. But here's what they're completely missing. Canva has quietly built one of the most powerful free AI suites on the planet. And it's Crachmint, in plain sight inside the tool most of us already use. We're talking about AI that generates full logos in under a minute. AI that builds complete, professionally designed presentations from a single sentence you type. An image generator that creates custom visuals you own. And a writing assistant that lives directly inside your designs. This is not the Canva you think you know. And I'm going to show you all of it, step by step. Free version first. Because by the end of this video, you're going to walk away with a completely different relationship with this tool. Let's get into it. Canva launched back in 2013 as a simple, drag-and-drop design platform. The kind of thing your marketing team used to make flyers. Basic, accessible, nothing revolutionary. But between 2022 and today, something changed. Canva started acquiring AI companies. They built their own image generation engine. They launched a writing assistant. They integrated AI directly into the design workflow in a way that very few tools have managed to pull off. The result is something most users have never explored. And that's actually good news for you, because the people who figure this out early always have the advantage. So let me break down exactly what's available, what it does, and how to use it starting today. First, the AI Logo Maker. If you have a business, a brand, a side project, or even a social media channel that needs a logo, pay attention here. Go to Canva's homepage. In the search bar, type the word logo. You'll see a regular logo template option. Skip that. Look for the button that says Generate a Logo with AI. Click it. Now you'll see a simple input screen. Type your brand name. In the next field, describe what your business does in one sentence. Then choose your preferred style, modern and minimal, bold and geometric, playful and colorful, vintage, tech, whatever fits your brand identity. Hit generate. In about 15 seconds, Canva's AI produces multiple complete logo options. We're talking full compositions, icon, typography, color palette, spacing, all done. You can click into any version and edit it completely inside Canva's standard editor. Change the colors, swap the font, resize the icon, export in any format you need. For context, a professional logo designer typically charges between $200 and $2,000 depending on the project. Canva just gave you that for free in 15 seconds. That's not a small thing. Now here's where a lot of people's minds start to change. Canva's magic design feature can build a complete, fully designed presentation from a single prompt you type. Not a blank
Let's
slide
use Canva's
deck,
magic resize.
not a basic color template.
One click resizes your
complete
design for any
multi-slide
platform.
presentation
It's that easy.
with structured content, visual layouts, section headers, icons and images, all coherent, all designed, all done. Here's how you access it. Click Create a Design at the top of your Canva dashboard. Select Presentation. On the left side panel, you'll see the Magic Design option. Type your topic into the prompt field. Be specific, something like marketing strategy for an online clothing brand, or beginner's guide to personal finance for college students. Hit Generate. Canva reads your prompt, structures the content logically, selects a visual theme, and builds the entire deck, typically 10 to 15 slides, in under 60 seconds. Now, will it be perfect? No. You'll update a few details, maybe
Let me show
swap
you
out an image
the
or two,
new Canva design.
adjust a
It
heading,
looks great. I like
but
the
the
layout.
structure,
Thanks.
the layout,
We can adjust
the
it now.
visual design, and the content framework, already done. You just saved yourself 2 to 3 hours of work minimum. If you've ever sat down on a Sunday night trying to build a pitch deck or a school presentation from scratch, you understand exactly why this matters. Let's talk about Dreamlab, because this one doesn't get nearly enough attention. Dreamlab is Canva's built-in AI image generator. It sits directly inside the Canva editor, which means you can generate a custom image and drop it straight into your design without ever switching tabs or apps. To use it, open any design in Canva. In the left sidebar, click Apps. Search for Dreamlab. Type a visual description of the image you need. Here's a practical example. You're building a YouTube thumbnail, and you want a dramatic,
Thumbnail looks perfect.
cinematic background.
All right,
Something
let's do
with
this.
a futuristic city skyline at night, neon reflections on wet pavement, moody atmospheric lighting.
I'm using
Type that
Canva
exactly.
for this design.
Dreamlab
Oh,
generates
cool.
it.
Can I see?
You own it.
Sure. Look at
Drop
this
it
part.
straight into your thumbnail. The difference between a thumbnail made from a stock photo everyone has seen and one built from a custom AI-generated image you created. That's the difference between blending in and standing out. For the free plan, you get a limited number of monthly Dreamlab credits. They're enough to get started. If you use it heavily, the Pro plan removes that limit entirely. Speaking of thumbnails, this is where Canva AI tools come together in a way that directly impacts your content performance. Open a YouTube thumbnail template in Canva. Use Magic Design to generate a starting layout based on your video topic. Use Dreamlab to create a custom background. Use the text tools to add bold overlay text. And if you need help writing the hook text on the thumbnail, Magic Write handles that too. The same system works across every platform. Instagram posts, Facebook event banners, LinkedIn cover images, Pinterest graphics, TikTok promotional cards. Canva has AI-ready templates for every single format, already sized correctly for each platform. You design once, resize with one click using Magic Resize, and you have the same content optimized for 6 different platforms. For a solo creator or a small business with no design budget, this is an unfair advantage, and most people still aren't using it. Now here is genuinely the most underrated feature in the entire Canva ecosystem, and I don't say that lightly. Magic Write is Canva's AI writing assistant. It lives inside your designs. It lives inside Canva Docs. And it solves one of the most common problems any creator or business owner faces. The blank page problem. You're building a services flyer, and you need a headline. Open Magic Write in the text field and describe what you want. It writes it. You're working on a bio for a business card. Magic Write drafts it in 10 seconds. You need 3 bullet points summarizing your offer for a slide. Done. Here's the thing most people don't realize. Writing and design are connected. When your copy is weak, even a beautiful design falls flat. Magic Write closes that gap. It's not going to write a novel for you, but for the short, punchy, high-impact copy that shows up on designs, it's remarkably good. According to usage data from Canva's own reports, users who regularly use Magic Write save an average of 3 to 5 hours per week on content creation alone. That's not a minor efficiency gain. That's time you're getting back to run your business. Now, the question everyone eventually asks, do you need Canva Pro? Here is the honest answer. If you're a beginner, start free. The free version gives you access to the AI logo generator, Magic Design for presentations, limited Dreamlab credits, limited Magic Write usage, and thousands of templates. That is genuinely more than enough to create impressive work and learn the platform. Canva Pro runs about $13 a month. It unlocks unlimited AI image generation, unlimited Magic Write, premium templates, brand kits, a background remover, and Magic Resize for cross-platform export. If you are producing content regularly or running a business, Pro pays for itself quickly. But forcing yourself into Pro before you've learned the free version is backwards. Start free. Build 10 to 15 real projects. See what you hit the wall on. Then decide if Pro removes that wall. No affiliate links. No commission. Just the honest answer. Here's where I want to leave you. A year from now, there are going to be 2 kinds of creators and business owners. The ones who figured out AI-assisted design early and built faster, better, and more consistently because of it. And the ones who didn't. You just spent time learning the tools that put you in the first group. You know how to generate a logo in 15 seconds. You know how to build a full presentation in under a minute. You know how to create custom AI images for your thumbnails and graphics. You know how to write better copy inside your designs. And you know exactly when the free version is enough and when Pro makes sense. The only move left is to open Canva right now and actually use one of these features today. Not tomorrow. Today. If this video helped you, subscribe. I cover free AI tools every single week that save real time for real people. Hit the like button if you found something in here you didn't know before. And drop a comment telling me, which feature are you trying first? I'll see you in the next one.